Hi everyone, today we are going to explain Tragicomedy. But before I explain Tragicomedy, if you are new to my channel, please do not forget like and subscription to the channel. Well, let's move and understand it. Whenever we explain something, so first we define it. So the definition of Tragicomedy is uh, a tragic a tragicomedy is a literary genre that combines elements of both tragedy and comedy. Simply, it means that tragic comedy is not something difficult to understand, but it is a blended form of comedy and tragedy. As you already know that comedy is a kind of play that consists of humorous and light-hearted elements such as happy ending, light tone, playful language, etc. So these are the characteristics of a comedy, right? And on the other hand, tragedy has serious tone, heroic figure, elevated language, sad ending, and serious language. So these are the characteristics of a tragedy. You might be thinking that why I am telling these characteristics of comedy and tragedy. So the answer is basically classical dramatists strictly followed these principles because they claim that if a playwright wants to write tragedy, so he should follow these principles of a tragedy, right? So is the comedies. But later the elements of tragedy and comedy were mixed by playwrights like Shakespeare, John Dryden, George Bernard Shaw, etc. So basically, when classical rules and principles were thrown into the wind and tragedy and comedy were mixed, so now we call it tragic comedy in English literature. You can take the example of such plays which are considered tragic comedy, and they are The Tempest by William Shakespeare, The Winter's Tale by William Shakespeare, and Candida by George Bernard Shaw. You can find a lot of dramas or tragedies or tragicomedy in English literature that are considered to be tragic comedy because they have blended the elements of tragedy and comedy. So that is why they are considered to be tragicomedy. Well guys, if you have enjoyed this lecture, please do not forget to like and subscription to the channel, and see you next time. Bye bye.